Welcome to the Geospatial Intelligence Podcast. My name is Aybars Öztuna and I'm the founder and CEO of Geospatial Intelligence Institute and Master of Science in Geospatial Intelligence candidate at the Johns Hopkins University. Geospatial intelligence, an emerging field. We'll be talking everything about it. Let's begin. Geospatial science is set to become the face of the future. It is the kind of science that, despite being in its development stages, is still being used in several fields. With advancements in technology, the application of GIS will continue to expand further. Let's look at the fields where geospatial science and geospatial technologies are being applied excessively. GIS in agriculture. Agriculture is considered the backbone of any country. The countries rich in agriculture also have strong economies, all thanks to their exports being based on crops, fruits, and vegetables. In order to have a better yield, every farmer considers some of the core objectives that are essential. These core objectives in farming are as follows: increasing the land fertility rate, enrich the soil with beneficial micronutrients that avoid the land from extreme degradation, to multiply the yield and the quality of crops yielded, minimizing the cost and the risk involved in agriculture, incorporating new technology that will automate the production process by decreasing the cost involved in manual labor. To accomplish the objectives I just mentioned, farmers and agricultural scientists are required to collect specific data. The collection of data is based on the following key points: the measurement of farmland and the boundaries allocated to each of the farmers operating on the land, agrophysical and agrochemical analysis of the land, agro-audits, collecting data on arable land alongside crop rotation, formation and compliance of digital field map, data compilation and soil fertility, information collected on the level of soil fertility, planning on technologies to be used in agriculture, machine tractor park optimization. Geospatial technology is becoming relevant in all fields, which also includes the field of agriculture. Geospatial technology has been incorporated into several agriculture-based applications that have significantly reduced the amount of manual labor dedicated to agriculture. These applications have made it significantly easier to have a graphic view of the land used for agricultural purposes. These applications provide a graphical view of the land through which farmers access necessary information. This information is usually based on the following: the area available for agricultural purposes, having a view of the land that is fertilized using the chemical or organic fertilizers, application of liquid fertilizers and pesticides on the land, comparison of different land crops, collecting information regarding the crop's preparation and keeping tabs on the crop's growth progress, producing digital maps to locate the field virtually instead of going from field to collect information, providing access to the agricultural enterprise management system, helping with the publication of internet and intranet data of agricultural holding, helps in working on standard protocols, OGC, WMTS, WCS, and WFS. Helps in the length area and perimeter calculation of the objects. Measures the distance on the map. Helps in receiving cadastral information. Helps in the agricultural land contours editing. Provides assistance in monitoring motor transport and agricultural machinery. Helps with the maintenance of land plots data. GIS in agriculture and urban planning. Non-geographers are considered the rapidly growing GIS user groups. GIS was priorly introduced in architecture for its utilization in regional and urban development. Since then, it has been extended to urban planning and management, providing architects with more than just base maps and site diagrams. The application of GIS in architecture includes various scales of subjects and space, as well as the incorporation of powerful tools helpful for the analysis of design, production, and management of architectural data, which is substantial for being decisive when executing the project. Currently, the data available on geo-browsers like Google Earth have equipped the world with access to spatial information much more easily. The type of information which was once considered extremely difficult to get is now available with geographically referenced data unfolding in front of people's eyes with just simple clicks. GIS has the tendency to become a very powerful tool to process data for architectural purposes. GIS technology has been evolving rapidly. Because of this fast-paced evolution, it has provided a working tool for architects and spatial planners to overcome the difficulties related to organizing available digital spatial information and data from photogrammetry and 3D laser scanning. One of the main advantages of applying the GIS system in architecture is cost effectiveness. It saves not just time, but also the cost and chances of risks involved in large architectural projects. GIS technology has played a very significant role in European architecture. It has helped megacities like London, Munich, Paris, and many more to maximize the utilization of land available for residents. It has been observed since the early 2000s that cities with better employment opportunities and tendencies of providing a good quality living standard are getting overcrowded with each passing year. The land mass has been shrunken to a concerning level, leaving very little place for the settlement of an overcrowded population turning towards cities. GIS has enabled the architectures to utilize vertical space by designing vertically elongated residential projects. In the recent COVID-19 wave, there has been an increasing demand for personalized open areas for each apartment corner. GIS has enabled architectures to provide open spaces to people, satisfying both residences as well as the city's needs. If you would like to have a variety of sources, feel free to follow Geospatial Intelligence Institute.org. That is geospatialintelligence.org. My name is Aybars Öztuna, and this is the Geospatial Intelligence Podcast.